Hi everyone, I've found a tool that lets you generate unlimited videos for free. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, let me show you a few videos I've already created. Before I reveal the tool, take a look at these.
Thank you. For you.
Together.
Thank you.
In the heart of the glowing wood, kindness turned strangers into family. Every bite shared, every glance of trust wove the circle tighter. In the heart of the glowing wood.
Damn it. Just breathe.
Morning.
Morning, Jamal.
Great day ahead, huh?
Absolutely.
Connected to Wi-Fi. Ready to make perfect toast. Installing update.
Loading forever.
Burning immediately.
Starting smoothie
Syncing
blend.
cloud recipe.
Technology.
Let's organize everything for you.
Oh, that's incredible. Thank
All
you.
set. Just breathe.
So, it's time to reveal the tools. That's Microsoft Bing. Now let's see how to generate unlimited videos using Bing. Go to bing.com. First, sign in with your account, then click on the Video Create button here. Now you'll see a lot of ready-to-use templates. They've also created many ideas for you to explore and get inspiration from. You can simply choose any template and start creating your video right away. Then, just customize it with your own text, clips, or voiceover to make it truly yours. But before you start, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, if you're new, you'll get 10 free creations under fast priority. Next is the standard mode, which lets you create unlimited videos. However, it can take a few hours to generate, usually around 3 hours, so a little patience is needed. You can create videos in 2 formats: vertical, perfect for shorts or reels; horizontal, for standard landscape videos. Each video can be up to 8 seconds long. For a better prompt, you can generate ideas from any AI website. Here, I picked the topic Humans and Animals Share Together. It generated multiple prompts, and I selected the best one. Before using it, I made a few small adjustments to make it even more specific for my video. I copied that prompt, pasted it into the prompt box, and then clicked Create to generate the video. You can give up to 3 prompts at a time, one by one. Then go do other work and come back after a few hours. Your videos will be ready. For me, it took approximately 3.5 hours for all the videos to be generated. You can make many unlimited videos like this. You have to wait for a few hours. That's it. Have fun. Now comment below which tools you are using now to create video generation. If you like this video useful and needed more useful tools like this, subscribe our channel and stay tuned.